Orbital Reef space habitat endures critical burst test, advancing commercial space station development by Satori News. In a significant breakthrough for commercial space station development, the Orbital Reef, a novel habitat under cooperative progress by Blue Origin and Sierra Space, underwent a successful full-scale burst pressure test. This test, conducted at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama, stands as a critical development under the NASA-funded Space Act agreement. Under the keen eyes of both industry professionals and NASA personnel, the Orbital Reef's component, the Life Habitat, an innovative inflatable structure presented by Sierra Space, was pushed to its limits. Made up of robust layers of webbing and special fabrics, it is engineered to be stowed compactly and expand when deployed in space. The burst test was not merely a trial of strength. It constitutes part of NASA's rigorous certification process aimed at ensuring commercial habitation modules can endure the uncompromising conditions of space travel. The Life Habitat, upon pressurization, exhibited its resilience and ability to meet safety factors recommended by NASA for soft goods used in space. The successful examination of the habitat's structural integrity provided a trove of data in line with the certification guidelines. Such guidelines prescribe exhaustive testing to fathom these materials' behavior in space-like conditions and determine their fail-safe characteristics. This milestone follows a suite of previous tests, including subscale evaluations at NASA's facilities and a preliminary full-scale burst pressure test conducted late the previous year. These strides forward cement the industry's commitment to developing viable solutions for low Earth orbit (LEO) commercialization. As NASA diversifies its partnerships through various agreements to usher in a fleet of commercial space stations, the likes of Orbital Reef are essential. These partnerships will not only bolster NASA's scientific and exploratory endeavors in microgravity, but will also prompt economic growth in LEO and ensure cost-effective services. While supporting the commercial sector's energy towards innovation, NASA's approach harmonizes its broader ambitions, laying the groundwork for sustainable presence in LEO and beyond. Moreover, it anchors NASA's operational focus on the pivotal Artemis missions destined for the Moon and, eventually, Mars, designating LEO as an invaluable proving ground. This collaborative feat between Sierra Space, Blue Origin, and NASA marks an exhilarating phase in space exploration, paving the way for a future where commercial stations are at the forefront of orbital innovations. Thank you for choosing Satori News.